Hello. Welcome to Nadira channel. We will learn all about laundry and linen in this channel. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel.
This time we will learn about how to choose your linen. At the end of the session, you will be able to have knowledge on common type of linen and how they look like to choose your best linen. First, we need to know about the fiber technology that usually used to choose a bed linen. 1. Cotton. Cotton characteristic is irregular hollow tubes, water-loving, easy to clean and susceptible to mildew. This type of fiber could be damaged by acids, damaged by oxidizers, and damaged by heat. 2. Polyester. The characteristic of polyester is rod-like structure, not very absorbent, oil-loving, scavenger fabric soils and dyes, damaged by alkali and heat, thermoplastic. Now, what are the key things to look for when choosing the linen? 1. Thread count. 2. Ply yarn. What is thread count? Thread count is just a measure of how many threads are in 1 square inch. Both the vertical warp and horizontal weft weave of the fabric are counted up to determine the thread count. Thread count should be in a range of normalcy. If the count is below 180, you'd be able to lift it up to the light and see tiny holes. That's no good. What is ply yarn? Ply is often a better indicator of the quality of bedding than the thread count itself because it explains exactly how the thread count was achieved. Ply refers to the number of yarns in each thread in a given piece of fabric. Single ply thread means that there is only 1 strand of yarn per thread. 2 ply means that 2 strands of yarn were twisted together in each thread. Now, we will talk about thread count. 120 to 170 thread counts, thin sheets where the usage calls for material of a more basic nature, often found in hospitals. 200 thread counts, a cool and light cotton mostly used in summer. Found in many hotels where the requirement is cool, crisp bed linen within a budget. 400 thread counts, definitely the best-selling cotton product, a soft yet more substantial count. This product is what you expect to find on the beds of major hotel chains worldwide. 600 thread counts. Here is where the exclusive end of quality begins, made possible by the use of compressed air technology in the weaving process. It is a beautiful, lustrous, soft, and very smooth fabric. 800 to 1000 thread counts, ultimate luxury and pure indulgence with an event greater luster and a fuller fabric. Which is better, 250 TC or 1000 TC? Theoretically, with higher thread counts, the quality gets better, since the sheet gets more durable and softer with use. How does the ply affect thread count? Avoid a ply greater than 2. Rather than pay extra to source quality threads, many manufacturers inflate their thread counts by using cheaper multiple ply yarns. So a 600 thread count sheet often means 200 3-ply. Please see this picture. Single ply cotton yarn or thread. 2-ply or 2-ply cotton yarn or thread, so 2-ply is better. Please go to next video on my channel to learn more about laundry and linen. Thank you.